Hop Hop loves to play and have fun. He dances and loves jumping high. He flaps little wings, hop, hop, hop. And look at how well he can hide. Peekaboo! Peekaboo! Hop Hop the owl. An ice cream cart is parked by Hop Hop's house. The ants are trying to steal the ice cream from it. The birds don't like this. They want to play with their toy themselves. Hop Hop, what kind of ice cream do you have?
Strawberry. Banana.
Oh, Peck Peck knocked over the cart. That's not a car, it is a cart. Although a cart also has wheels.
1, 2. 3, 4.
The birds are having lots of fun. The cart rolls around like they're cars, and they can push it to give each other rides. Forward! Let's roll!
Stop, Peck Peck!
You can't go up like that. Bam! Are you okay, Peck Peck? Hop Hop will fix the cart now. Which one is the wheel? Let's look at the wheels still on the cart. These ones.
Yes!
Catch the wheel, Peck Peck. Hup! Couldn't do it. Peck Peck wasn't strong enough. A hammer! Good one, Hop Hop.
Boom! And done!
Great job, birds! Now we can play ice cream sellers. Let's set everything up in place. Ice cream in cups. Lollipops. And toy popsicles. An umbrella for the sun overhead so the ice cream doesn't melt. Ice cream salesman Hop Hop goes to work. And Peck Peck with him. Catch up.
Ice cream! Lollipops! Popsicles!
Ants, you want popsicles? They don't. Peck Peck is offering ice cream to a ladybug. She doesn't want it. The birds decided to become their own customers. They pretend to eat toy ice cream. Hop Hop, where are you off to? The little owl got real ice cream from the refrigerator. Peck Peck, this is for you. Will we share with the ants?
Ice cream for everyone!
Good job, Hop Hop. Enjoy, birds. Hop Hop loves to play and have fun. He dances and loves jumping high. He flaps little wings, hop, hop, hop. And look at how well he can hide. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Hop Hop the owl. This is the house where Peck Peck the woodpecker lives. Hello, Peck Peck. Oh, the ball has bounced away. Splish splosh into the puddle. Peck Peck has gone in after the ball. He's got all muddy. And now another puddle. Can you see? Peck Peck has muddy stains on his tummy. Oh, look! And on his head, too.
Hi there.
Hi there, Hop Hop. Look how dirty Peck Peck is.
Uh-oh. Time to have a wash.
The little owl is filling the paddling pool with water so Peck Peck can have a wash.
Jump in.
Peck Peck likes having a wash.
Hey!
Hop Hop is playing hide and seek with his friend. But what's this? What's in those bottles?
Soap.
Of course! To wash away the dirt, you need soap. Lots of soap. Look! What's that?
Foam.
More and more foam. Little cups. What do you need them for? The little owl is going to wash the woodpecker's wing. Hop Hop is using more and more soap on Peck Peck. More and more and more.
Like that.
And now he's washing off the foam with water from the cup. His wing is clean. Peck Peck is happy, but there's still some mud left.
Now for your head.
For some reason, the woodpecker doesn't want to wash his head. What a beautiful bottle! That's shampoo. You use it to wash your head. Hop Hop is taking some shampoo, and he's making a ball out of foam. Have a sniff and see how nice it smells. Nice, isn't it? Peck Peck is ready to wash his head.
Hey!
Rub, rub, rub. There's lots of foam on his head now. The woodpecker is washing his own head. It's so much fun. Peck Peck has got an orange hat made of foam on his head. But where has Hop Hop gone? Hop Hop! You've brought a watering can. You need to wash away the soapy foam off of his head. What's wrong? Are you scared? Wait a moment. Put on this visor, like a hat. Peck Peck looks like a little flower. No more water is going to get into his eyes, and now he really likes washing his head. You're all clean, Peck Peck. Now they can play with the foam. Hop Hop has made a big blue ball of foam. Goodbye, clean little birds. Hop Hop loves to play and have fun. He dances and loves jumping high. He flaps little wings, hop, hop, hop. And look at how well he can hide. Peekaboo! Peekaboo! Hop Hop the owl. Not far from Hop Hop's house, there's a dispenser full of brightly colored little marbles. Hi, Peck Peck. Do you want to take out a marble? Then you must push one of these colored buttons. You can't reach them? Let's bring a step stool. Hop! Now you can press one of the buttons. A red button for red marbles. And an orange button for orange marbles. The green and the blue buttons are for the green and blue marbles. And here comes Hop Hop. Peck Peck is giving him a spoon? Oh, the little woodpecker thinks the marbles are candy.
Freeze! This is not candy.
Peck Peck is disappointed. Don't get upset. You can play an interesting game with the marbles. Bring your bowl of marbles with you and follow Hop Hop.
A track for the marbles.
You start them off and they roll through.
What?
Hop Hop puts some marbles at the start of the track and presses the button. The balls roll down a transparent tube, along a winding groove, lower and lower. They make the spinner turn. Peck Peck wants to try too. So many marbles! Look how nicely they roll. Peck Peck is excited. Look, little birds, it's a whirlpool.
Uh-oh.
The marbles fall on the ground. One of the track's parts is missing. The little birds unload the truck and go to look for the missing part. Do you see anything, Peck Peck? Here it is! The ants are throwing berries into the funnel.
Hey, ants! That's part of our track. And we would like to play with it now, please.
The ants are upset.
Will you join us?
Of course! First, we need to attach the missing part. The truck pulls up to the end of the track. Peck Peck launches the marbles. Go! Through the transparent tube. Down the whirlpool. The winding grooves. Along the turns. Into the funnel. And up to a big wheel lift. It scoops up the marbles and then… bingo! The marbles made it to the finish line. They're all loaded safely into the truck. The little birds really like their new marble track game.
Hop Hop loves to play and have fun. He dances and loves jumping high. He flaps little wings, hop, hop, hop. And look at how well he can hide. Peekaboo! Peekaboo!
Hop Hop the owl. Do you hear that sound? That's the train coming out of the tunnel.
Choo-choo!
Hop Hop the owl is driving it. His toys are in the train's wagon. Peck Peck the woodpecker is waiting for his friend at the station. Hooray! The train's coming.
Hello!
Hello there, Hop Hop. Our woodpecker's been waiting for you. He really wants to go to the lake with his new toys. Everything into the bucket. The birds are heading there on the motorcycle. Put on your helmets.
Let's go!
There's the pier. Take your toys over there. That's a crab. Crabs are very good at moving from side to side.
Crab!
Oh, the crab's gone for a swim. Peck Peck's gone for a swim too. That's a lot of splashing.
Stop! It's deep over there.
It's not safe to go off into deep water if you can't swim. Let's take a look at the other toys in your bucket.
A starfish.
How many arms does it have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
The starfish has gone for a swim. And the ray. And the blowfish. It looks like a ball. Peck Peck wants to get the crab. Little owl, what are you looking for? Ah, it's an inflatable ring. Our little woodpecker can use it to go swimming in the lake.
Wings up, please. Now you can swim.
Hop Hop's also put on a ring. Little birds, let's pick up our toys. That's one fish in the net.
The blowfish.
The ray.
The starfish.
Well done! What a wonderful trip to the lake this has been.
Let's sort our toys out.
The starfish, the swordfish, the blowfish. Somebody's missing.
Do you know who? That's right! The crab! There's a butterfly on his head. Into the bucket you go, crab! We've let the air out of the swim rings. And we've put away the net. Did you pick up the ray? Ah, there it is, in the bucket. We can go. Till next time, little birds.
Hop Hop loves to play and have fun. He dances and loves jumping high. He flaps little wings, hop, hop, hop. And look at how well he can hide. Peekaboo! Peekaboo!
Hop Hop the owl. It's morning. Peck Peck the woodpecker is coming out of his house. Oh, a butterfly. Peck Peck, you look very smart. Hello! What's down there? It's an abacus. Do you want to play with it? The beads are spinning around. The abacus is making a sound, like a rattle. And how do you use an abacus properly? You don't know? Oh, you'll think of something. Peck Peck is riding on the abacus like a skateboard. And the snail is using the beads as a slide. Peck Peck wants to do it too. Whee! Did you enjoy it? Peck Peck, where are you off to? You want to ride on the beads down a big slide? That's dangerous. Hello, Hop Hop. Quick, save Peck Peck. Oh dear, oh dear! The abacus is broken.
Lots and lots of beads!
Now then, birds, you need to pick them up. 1,
2.
Look for some more, birds.
3, 4.
Peck Peck has found a lot of beads. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good job, Peck Peck. Oh, the beads have gone everywhere. Let's thread them onto a string. It's ready. Hop Hop has threaded the rest of the beads onto a string.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
And where is the 10th bead? Maybe it's behind the fir tree? Hop Hop has found the 10th bead. But so has Peck Peck. That's not a bead. It's a snail. Look, the beads on a thread look like a caterpillar or a worm.
Beads! Abacus!
Time to put the beads back on the abacus. Now you can count something. Berries, for example? Hop Hop has eaten 1 strawberry. 1. Peck Peck has 2 berries. 2. You birds are very good at counting.
Hop Hop loves to play and have fun. He dances and loves jumping high. He flaps little wings, hop, hop, hop. And look at how well he can hide. Peekaboo! Peekaboo!
Hop Hop the owl. This is Hop Hop the owl's house. And this is a surprise for him. Hop Hop! Where are you? Can you see him? Come out! We've found you.
Hello!
Hello, little owl. We've got a surprise for you. It's on your window. Do you know what it is?
A flower?
No. When the wind blows, your flower starts spinning. It's a pinwheel.
Pinwheel! Pinwheel!
Go on, try it. Blow. Oh dear. Go and get the pinwheel. We'll repair it. The pinwheel has flown high up on the shelf. Hop Hop needs something to stand on. Well done! Look, Hop Hop is flapping his wings and the pinwheel is spinning.
Pinwheel! Pinwheel!
You're a bit like a pinwheel yourself, Hop Hop. It's time to show your new toy to Peck Peck. Where is he? There he is. Hello, Peck Peck the woodpecker. It's a pinwheel. You need to blow on it. Peck Peck, try running. The pinwheel is turning again. Now it's Hop Hop's turn. Hop Hop is running very fast, and the pinwheel is spinning fast. little owl. Are you tired? A motorbike. What's your idea, Hop Hop? Hop Hop has fixed the pinwheel to the motorcycle. The birds will ride on it, and the pinwheel will spin very fast. A pinwheel! What a wonderful toy!
Hop Hop loves to play and have fun. He dances and loves jumping high. He flaps little wings, hop, hop, hop. And look at how well he can hide. Peekaboo! Peekaboo!
Hop Hop the owl. This is Hop Hop the owl's house. Look, Hop Hop is playing with a helicopter. The propeller is spinning. Peck Peck the woodpecker is pulling a truck with a rope. Can it be attached to the helicopter? Shall we try?
Attach it.
It worked! Peck Peck is pulling the helicopter behind him, and the propeller is spinning. Turn around.
Uh-oh.
A little accident. The balls from the truck spilled out.
Let's straighten up.
What if we put the balls in the helicopter? The propeller has a hole in it.
It's for the balls. Look here.
1. The number 1 lit up. 2. The number 2. Please go on. 3, 4.
And 5.
All the numbers lit up. The lights too. And the propeller is spinning.
Wow.
What a surprise, birds! It turns out that it's a musical toy. Is something wrong, Peck Peck? I wonder what he's gonna do. A little lamb. I see. The woodpecker wants to put it into the helicopter. But it's not gonna work that way. And the buttons with numbers don't help.
Peck Peck, wait!
Hop Hop has an idea. He presses the arrow button and the cabin opens.
This is a pilot's cabin.
And here is the pilot. The little lamb is going to fly the helicopter. Time to take off? Hop Hop, put the helicopter on the ground.
Press it!
The cargo bay opened. The balls are spilling out.
Shall we play again?
Sure. We put 2 balls into the helicopter, and the numbers light up, 1 and 2. We can play like this all day.
Huh? Ugh.